Hey everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into how to invite people to your Trello workspace. Super simple, I promise. First, make sure you're logged into your Trello account. Next, choose your workspace. Think of workspaces as your teams within Trello. Pick the right one for the person you're inviting. Now spot this button, it's usually clearly labeled Invite Members. Click it. Here's where the magic happens. Just enter the email address of the person you want to add. Let's say we're inviting. See how easy that is? Boom, invitation sent. Want to see who's already in your workspace? Just click on the Members menu, usually found in the sidebar. This shows you everyone already collaborating on your projects. There you go, all your team members in one place. But wait, there's more. There's another way to invite people. See this Invite with Link option? Click that. Trello will generate a unique link for you. Copy this link. Now you can share this link however you want. Email, Slack, Teams, even a carrier pigeon if you're feeling old school. This link gives anyone you send it to direct access to your workspace. And that's it, 2 super easy ways to get your team collaborating in Trello. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more Trello tips and tricks.